is Ruben, samen met Jerry, Party Squad. We komen net van het podium bij Summerland, Stompwijk. Die shit was insane, man. Het was fucking gezellig. De mensen hadden er zin aan. Wij hadden er zin aan. Het weer speelde mee. Alles was gewoon perfect.
Don't you worry, it gets better. I know it's blurry, but in due time, salty waters turn to laughter. Confidence starts in your mind. Break all the borders, cross troubled waters. Live in the moment, love like you own it. Live your
What up, is DJ Artistic wel. Ik heb het hier gedraaid in Stompwijk, Summerland Festival. Die shit was echt aan. Als je er niet bij was, heb je echt pech, want die shit was mad.
Hello, we've just come off from the stage at the Stompwijk Summerland Festival. It was rubbish. It wasn't. It was the organisation's just crap. And we're never coming back ever.